Ryan, remember we have these? What's in the box?
What's in the box?
How about an episode of What's in the Box?
Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you items in a box.
And other automotive mysteries.
Ooh.
When we
And
can.
they're probably related to detailing.
Yeah. I'm Ryan.
Brandon here.
That's no mystery.
And we're going to go ahead and open this thing up and see what we got.
Yeah, it's such a mystery. We don't even know what's in here.
I'll cut towards myself.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I don't want to cut you.
Brandon has a knife. It's almost as dangerous as when I have a knife.
There we go. I don't want to cut the product. I don't know how high it is.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, it's not that high.
All right, so we're hoping you guys are here to help us figure out what's in here.
Well, don't look at that. That tells us.
Oh yeah.
There's
I didn't even see what it says.
There's always paper. Oh, there's a box within a box. I am not kidding.
Well,
oh, it's heavy.
Here, I'll hold this.
Oh, we'll get to that box in a minute then.
Wow.
Check this out.
What is it? What is it?
A bucket.
Oh, a little black bucket. Oh, I kind of like that.
And then
Isn't this better? No. Actually, it'd be better if it was on my face.
Don't talk when there's a bucket on your head. Woo! Hurts the ears.
It was loud.
There you go. Grab that.
Okay, we're gonna reveal this.
And then we're gonna get rid of this.
Get rid of that box.
Bye, camera.
Sorry about that. So Brandon, actually,
I know exactly
what this is. This was a great video idea that you came up with.
Yep. So, hey, we just got through Thanksgiving. So what is it? Sales everywhere. How many freaking texts did you get? Right?
Oh yeah. Deals.
I signed up for all these things and all these emails.
Deals.
Wow. New company, DIY Detail.
Okay.
I've seen some videos here where they're new to us. And I think they are a newer company. I don't know that for sure, but they seem a little bit newer. They have the Weekend Warrior kit for basic maintenance car wash. And
I'm a weekend warrior.
Perfect. That's us. DIY.
Yeah.
Weekend warrior. Garage guys, just keeping our cars clean. And I'm like, I wanted to see if we can clean a vehicle of ours that is maintained properly and protected with a basic kit that anybody can just go out and buy, and this will take care of everything right here. We don't have to add anything or delete anything. That's what we're trying to see here.
So this is an everything kit. That's awesome because
should cover just about everything you need.
Okay. Because I always have like friends, family, neighbors going, hey, I want to take care of my car. I want to do the DIY car cleaning thing.
And starting
what should I use? And it's like,
there's 9 million different things you could use. Yeah.
It is nice to just go, hey, there's a really nice kit to get you started.
And what drew me to this kit, honestly, it's not just the chemicals. As you can see, you got a bucket.
Wow, this is big.
I got a drying towel.
It's big, guys.
Open it up. Yeah, it's already open.
Oh, it's already, yeah.
This is a huge, and you know how we did our video on drying towels? Look at this one.
Holy moly.
So we'll see how it works.
I did not expect that,
It's a little different. It's a little different texture than the ones I've used, but it seems to me like it worked. So we'll try it out.
But the key to a good drying towel is a good big
quality,
size,
big
right?
size, yeah.
Quality too.
Let it suck up the water.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice.
So as you can guess here, we're probably going to get into the chemical side of stuff.
Okay.
A nice, not a 5 gallon. What was that? 3.5 gallon.
3.5. Yeah.
So it's not too big. No, sometimes 5 gallon you don't need.
Set that off to the side for now.
All right, so let's go through our chemicals. Oh, and speaking of, one more very important thing is you need a wash meter. So we got that covered too.
Okay, so we got the bucket, the washing part, the drying part.
We'll get rid of that. So a nice microfiber wash mitt.
Okay. Oh, okay, that's got a good feel to it.
Now we're gonna go chemicals.
Oh, interesting.
Oh, and I grabbed the right one in order. Check this out. Incredible Suds car shampoo. Incredible Suds is a gentle, high-tech, emulsifying, gentle washing shampoo designed to create massive amounts of cleaning suds in a foam cannon or foam gun, or you can use it without if you want. Always. Okay. They always work without too, but it's designed for your foam cannon, which we like to do. You know what I mean? So we like the foam cannon. So, and this is actually the product. I saw a video about someone's favorite soaps, one of the channel's favorite soaps of the year, and this was recommended. So I'm like, this is how I found more about this company. So I'm excited to try that one out. So step 1, wash. What else we got? Oh, there's a few more in here than I thought. Oh, that's because I ordered a bottle for you to keep too of Incredible Suds.
Aw.
You need shampoo, right?
Oh, always.
So we got 2 bottles of that.
That's incredible. Thank you.
Because you're going to need to wash your car at home too.
And they do need to be washed.
Okay, next up, this is kind of a final touch, glass cleaner.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow, it included... So yeah, that's great. It includes glass. I wasn't even expecting that.
I know,
actually.
right?
I was thinking of like a washing kit, but glass.
But glass is a good one, because that's your final touch. Clean that glass up inside and out, right? Got tire dressing.
Oh.
Tire lotion.
Ooh, I like that.
So, and this is the one that kind of might not apply to, it does, but it doesn't. So we want to test this separately because I really want to see how this stuff works. This is the DIY Detail Quick Beads. And
Okay.
this one is graphene infused ceramic sealant. You can use it dry method. You can use it or a rinse off method. Or as a wet drying aid. It works in all the way. I looked it up. It works every which way you know how to use it. Sealant, it works. Ceramic sealant.
Okay.
Now, your car, we're going to use your vehicle today. It's coated with a long-term coating.
Yes.
So I don't think this is going to show us the beading and whatnot on your vehicle. So we're not going to use that one. But this is good for the basic person starting out. They say you can use this every wash. It doesn't build up.
Doesn't build up.
So this
Nice.
kit will do what you need it to do. And you can pick and choose. They have more products, obviously. You can add, this is exterior, as you can see. We're not doing interior. This is a basic maintenance exterior wash kit.
Okay.
And I think that covers you for the most part.
That really does. I mean, yeah, you've got all the right things here, including the quick beads. That's cool. But
So I'm excited to see that as
we'll put that to the test at another time.
yes, on a uncoated surface.
Wow, what a nice kit, and what a nice option to hopefully recommend.
All right, so starting out, we've got the Incredible Suds Concentrated Car Shampoo. All right, so the DIY description. Incredible Suds is a high-tech emulsifying gentle washing shampoo specifically designed to create massive amounts of cleaning suds in a foam can or foam gun to lubricate the surface to avoid scratching during washing. So we're obviously gonna put a couple ounces of this. I like to use just about 2 or 3 ounces. They say 4 to 5. That's a lot. We'll stick with what we normally use.
I guess we can start with the 2 to 3 and see.
And if you need more,
how
you can
it
add
works.
more. Yeah, I like it to go longer. You know.
Exactly.
For best results, it does say to apply to a cool surface. And really, that's all there is. One thing, they do put a QR code on there to see a video of this in action and for the safety data sheet. Woo!
Like, do not drink it.
For our finishing touches, what are we going to do?
Next, I'll probably jump over. I would probably jump over to the tire dressing. And tire dressing. I like to do what you do, and that is to knock down the shine once it's applied. But yeah,
and we're going to use. You'll see, we're going right here. We're going to use our tire mitt foam pad thing. What's it called? Applicator. That's the word I'm looking for.
Right.
We're going to put this on with the tire applicator instead of spraying it directly. Now, directions on this do say it creates a glossy protected tire ready to win the show.
Glossy.
So we're going to have to knock it down, I'm sure. We're not done yet. Spray directly onto your clean, dry tires evenly, allow product to penetrate, then wipe away excess. For best results, clean and dry tires. But like I said, we like to use the applicator, so that's why we're using that today.
All right, next we've got the crystal clear glass cleaner.
So it's our final touch, right?
Yes.
Get that glass. I mean, you've washed it, but let's get the inside and outside of it all sparkly.
And you've dried the vehicle, but that doesn't mean you've gotten rid of all the water spots, maybe.
Exactly. So we've got the description on this one. Glass cleaner cuts through grime to create streak-free, crystal clear window every time. So you're gonna lightly mist this onto your window surface, quickly buff with a clean, low nap microfiber towel, flip your towel over and buff off remaining residues. For best results, do not do this in direct sunlight. So again, you can spray directly on the window or you can spray on your towel. Sometimes I like to spray onto the towel. Overspray is my concern usually.
That's a good tip to, apply it directly to the applicator.
And use 2 separate towels, one for your wet application, and then you've got a dry towel to buff off.
Yeah.
So there you go, crystal clear glass cleaner. All right, Ryan, we finished. It's cleaned and washed and looks pretty.
This is a great wash kit.
Yeah, I think all the products actually worked really well. I'm beyond expectation. With expectation going into it is I didn't know a lot about this company, but those are great products.
Yeah.
Very good products.
Should we just go through them real quick?
Yeah, we started with the suds.
The suds, oh my gosh, yeah. It held the suds in the bucket and then out of the foam cannon.
Did you see that?
Great, thick,
we could have pulled
foam.
back how much soap we used in the cannon.
Yeah.
And we didn't even use as much as they said because it said 4 to 5 ounces, I think, but it didn't. You could use half that.
It was great and it smelled really good.
Grape.
Like a grape soda. It was great.
One knock, and this is not on the product. This is just for a DIY detail company. I would just like to see them include the nipples so we can squeeze the soap out.
Yeah, instead of the cap and you're fumbling around where you just pop that. That's a good point.
That's the only thing. But other than that, soap was great, smelled great. What did we move on to now? Good lubricity, we said that. Held the suds.
Held the suds, good lubricity, thank you.
And we let those suds dwindle.
They
for a long
sat there
time.
for quite a while.
And so they did go down, and they came right back up with the agitation, and great product there. What did we use next? We went, their mitt.
Their
while
mitt.
we were washing, great mitt, good microfiber mitt. It's a little smaller than some of the ones I've used, but it worked great. Had a good.
It did. It's got a decent
feel to it. The drying towel.
This drying
blanket. The drying
blanket. It's still very heavy.
It's full of water.
It worked really well. I've never seen one like this.
It's a different material than we're used to on those.
Super surprised by this one. Yeah. Great drying.
And then we moved on to tire dressing.
Tire dressing. I'm looking at, I can kind of see the vehicle out there.
It's shiny.
It's good. It is shiny.
Not as shiny as some we've seen, but it looked really good. You might want to knock it down a little bit, possibly, depending on how much your tires suck it in, right?
Again, just putting it on the applicator, going around a few times, it was great.
Yeah, like I said, I talked about it earlier. I'm not a fan of spraying it on anything on the wheel. I don't want to clean the wheel again and rotors and all that.
Yeah, and yes, it smells like, I don't know, hand lotion.
Yeah, because it says tire lotion, and I'm like, exactly.
Yeah.
And one thought, they have great triggers.
Yeah, you wanted to mention the triggers on there. The sprayers are
a little different than the standard spray triggers we get from a lot of companies. These are a little longer trigger on there. Good, comfortable,
and a very positive
engagement
motion.
Yeah. So, hey, good job on the triggers, guys. And last but not least, the glass cleaner, crystal clear. And it was no streaks.
Yeah, no streaks. We even did it there in the hot sun, and it didn't streak.
So smelled like glass cleaner.
Yeah,
that's what you'd expect.
And again, just a little tease for future video. We will be doing the quick beads.
Oh, I think I was pointing to that when I was talking about soap.
to see how that works. Yep. We just didn't feel it would be fair because the vehicle that we used this kit on has a coating, as Brandon said, and it still has tight beads.
So long as this product holds up, this could be all you need to take care of your vehicle. Plus or minus, one other thing I think would be great in this kit is the tire applicator or a glass cleaning towel. May as well include that. I would just round out the kit just that much better.
Yeah, and I know
maybe more buckets, kind of. You can build off of it.
Cost to product ratio kind of thing, but this is a good. I'm actually going to recommend this.
Me too.
My neighbor's been asking, and I'm like, well, you could get this, and it gets complicated.
This will get you started. So you can build your buckets or whatever you want on there.
One simple place to send them. I like it.
Yep, great product and good job, DIY Detail. We're fans and you're new to us, so like it. All right, we appreciate you guys watching.
Yeah, thank you.
Stay tuned again for the quick beads. We'll give that a test, and please consider like, subscribe, notification bell if you want to subscribe. Merch is in the link below.
Yep.
Till next time.
And see you in the next one. Bye. That was noisy.